Well, hello everyone. This is Irma with my note cards, and today I have another tip to share with you. Now, there are a lot of people that create their own ephemera using stamps and scrapbook pages and whatnot. But there is one source of ephemera that is free, and it's the junk mail that you get delivered to your mailbox every day. If you were to go to your mailbox and pull apart some of those envelopes and flyers and whatever else comes in there, you'd be able to cut out a lot of little strips and squares and circles of things that you could use as ephemera. All you have to do is cut it out, perhaps use some blending inks to make them look vintage enough, and you've got yourself some ephemera. I recently bought some Tim Holtz ephemera, little pieces like this, very, very tiny. Yes, I plan to use them, but when I was looking at them, I came to realize that a lot of these things are things that already I could get in the mail. So I started up my collection. I do have a much bigger stash than this, and I'm going to make something really cool. Now, these things can be used, again, on your cards, on tags, scrapbook pages, junk journals, etc. So, once again, think out of the box. When you get your junk mail later on today or tomorrow, take a look and see how you can use those envelopes and postcards, how you can cut them up and make ephemera for free. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.